Hi. Yeah, hi John, hi. Yeah, it's great to see you. Yeah, oh, have you been away? Got a bit of a tan there. Oh right, in your garden. Oh fab, okay, right. Yeah, you wanted to talk to me about the new posts that you've got, the new vacancies. Yeah, okay. Oh, right, so you want the very, very best. Yes, of course, yeah. Yeah, yeah. The very best content production people, yeah. And yeah, okay. But you want to pay the lowest possible money. Okay, yeah, okay. Yeah, I can do that. John, you can send over the job description. I love that. Thank you so much. Bye. Doesn't want to pay very much.